You know, when I was young, they used to say ki what is the easiest sort of film to make if you want to make lots of money because everybody gets scared. But somehow we never got it right. When you look at, I go back, there are a handful of about 10, 12 films. In fact, I see the serials got it right. When Kile Ka Rahsya and all used to come out, just the sound of it earlier, we used to get scared, yeah. Did we get better along the way? Did we stop getting scared? How was it? But this, you know, I have to say, Vishal, you have outdone yourself. Nusrat, you've outdone yourself. When I just see a little teaser, picture nahi dikhai mere ko is baar, but when I see the teaser of this, you know, you look at a few years and the metamorphosis into this is fantastic. And welcome to the family, Soha.
Thanks. Very happy to be here.
Nusrat, well done. Fantastic it's looking.
Thanks.
And I've known him actually for a very long time. And I've always said this. A person who can write horror, then make it, and then remake it and again write it, deserves a big round of applause because horror can become comedy.
Thank you.
As we see most of the time.
Yeah.
But this is fantastic, man. So congratulations. But what is it with you and dark thoughts?
Oh my God.
You're in a space always which is not very rangeen. Why?
I find beauty in it.
Really?
So for me, it's a very interesting and colorful, and it's full of life, though I'm speaking about death and everything else.
Yeah.
But for me, it is full of life. So I enjoy it. And as you rightly said that it is not easy. आपको लगता है कि easy है, but it is not easy. तो और वही challenge मुझे पसंद है. क्योंकि एक भी चीज़ गलत हो जाती है, then it becomes laughable.
Correct.
एक बंदा अगर ऑडियंस में हंस दिया, then your horror film is gone.
हंसते तो हैं, वो nervous energy पहले आती है.
That's a different thing. That's an after reaction.
Correct.
After effect of seeing a scary scene. और हंसते इसलिए कि मुझे भी डर लगा, तुझे भी डर लगा, चलो साथ में हंसते. It's like that.
Hiding your fear.
गलत होने की वजह से जो हंसते हैं, क्योंकि वो फनी हो गया, या आपका परफॉर्मेंस फनी हो गया, क्योंकि ज्यादातर टाइम परफॉर्मेंसेस थोड़े से गलत हो जाते हैं. राइट. हम बाबा दिखाते हैं, हम कुछ भूत का एक सर्टन परफॉर्मेंस दिखाते हैं जो बहुत ही गलत हो जाता है, और लोगों को लगता है कि ये क्या हो रहा है, वो हंसी हो जाती है, तो तब वो गलत हो जाता है. तो which is why it's a very difficult genre to make.
Impossible. And even sound.
Yeah.
I remember Ramu sir, जब वो एक घंटी बजती थी या वो, that is a big deal. But sometimes sound can be overdone.
बिल्कुल.
And here, you know, when you watched one also, the amount of time, Nusrat, that you spent alone in a film, just acting with nothing, and maybe just Vishal Singh, यहाँ से थोड़ा 10 कदम आगे आ जाओ, right चले जाओ. It's really difficult to do that. तो मुझे वो सीरियल वाले दिन आ रहे थे, जब याद आ रहे थे जब लोग सिर्फ क्रोमा स्क्रीन के साथ पूरी पिक्चर कर जाते थे. So this is a really tough, it's a very challenging film to sort of know because you literally have to surrender to the director. जो अगर उन्होंने बोल दिया कि तुम इतने scared थे, अब इसको थोड़ा और ऊपर ले जाओ. So this is something you really enjoyed. The last 2-3 years have been very good for your career also, yeah?
I completely agree with you, and you're right. The word you've used is surrender.
Yeah.
And that's the only way I could have done Chori 1, is because it was completely out of my world. मुझे एक तो मैं कोई एक्टिंग स्कूल नहीं गई हूँ, मैं कोई एक्टिंग क्लास नहीं लिया है, जो किया है on the job, on the fields I've learned and done, which is why it works better for me as an actor to surrender to my director. And it's very important for me to have a working relationship with my director. I think initially he and I just spent time talking about who I am, what I like. He found my triggers, which I think in a horror film or a performance film like this are very important. कि उनको वो जो चाहिए, अब वो आपको समझ गए, तो वो आपको वो ट्रिगर कर देंगे, without you even knowing it. And I didn't even know how he got me to do all this. Like every day, I think I would get up and I would tell him, "Sir, मुझे नहीं पता आज का दिन कैसे खत्म होगा. ये सब मैंने पढ़ा है कॉल शीट में, but ये कैसे होने वाला है?" He's saying, "मैं करूँगा." Like in Chori 1, I was put on fire, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how to imagine that.
Correct.
I don't know how to imagine.
And it was obviously VFX.
Correct, of course.
Correct.
No, they actually set her on fire.
No, but you can. Hello, of course you can. Well, so many.
Acha, like that.
Yeah, like that. They put it and then they douse you out. Na?
Of course it was VFX, but I had to act like I'm burning up.
Yeah.
I'm asking him, sir, कैसे करूँ ये emo? मतलब मैं कहाँ से लाऊँ वो? तो surrender is the only way to do it.
And also, you know, Vishal, एक क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है, हर कोई जो ना जब हॉरर फिल्म देख रहा होता है, अरे इसको जब देख रहा है सब ऐसे सुनसान है, वो दो बच्चे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो क्यों जा रही है वहां पे? A lot of this happens. You know, you always say, अरे how stupid यार, ऐसे कौन जाता है अकेले में? So as a writer also, are you being devil's advocate also कि मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं अगर ये देख रहा हूँ, ये stupid तो नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
बिल्कुल,
it must be very difficult to get it right. And यहाँ पे मुझे चोरी 1 में, I think there was definite transformation in second half of the movie from the first half. I think her character, you know, it could have become very all the time. It wasn't.
Right.
So were you second guessing a lot when you were writing it? Because direction तो बात की बात है, पहले writing.
बिल्कुल. We have to. because these scenarios are very difficult to enact also, and for an actor and for me also to brief the actor how to enact the scenarios, right? It could go anywhere, क्योंकि ये natural नहीं है ना, ये unnatural है, ये scenarios आपके real life में नहीं आते, right? तो आप कैसे react करोगे? तो ये ज़्यादातर टाइम ये चीज़ें, ये जो रिएक्शन होते हैं वो आई थिंक 9 out of 10 टाइम गलत जाते हैं, तो तब डायरेक्टर को बताना पड़ता है कि
या तो बहुत ज़्यादा या बहुत कम।
हाँ, तो वो बताना पड़ता है कि सही बैलेंस क्या है, बट देन यू हैव टू इक्वेट इट विद रियल लाइफ फियर्स, लाइक हाउ शी सेड दैट आई हैड टू नो हर ट्रिगर्स, so I had to really know her triggers so that I can tell her.
So you're doing extended podcast with her to figure out her life?
हाँ, कुछ चीजें, एक दो चीजें चाहिए, ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, बट वो इक्विवेलेंट जो फाइंड कर लेते हैं तो then they react to that, which in on the script level falls right. तो वो ऐसे, बट वो करना पड़ता है.
But I did something in part 1 which obviously you can't do with every film. I think it's stupid, but it worked for me, and I think every actor has to find their own method, what works for them. When I met him, I told him I didn't see the first original of Lapa Chhapi. I didn't see it, and I didn't read the script. I said horror as a reaction has to come very naturally. If I in my head know कि यहाँ से भूत आएगा, या बच्चे आएंगे, या मैं left जाऊँगी तो ये होगा, तो I'm going to preempt it, and then I'm going to act for the effect of it, which for me is a false note as an actor. So I told him, I said, sir, if with your permission, I don't want to read it. Which means you will have to really like hold my hand through the whole thing and tell other actors कि नुसरत को नहीं पता है सीन में क्या हो रहा है, तो आप करो.
उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? 90% टाइम तुम अकेली थी.
It's also true. And dialogues भी नहीं थे, तो मैंने कहा ये कर सकती हूँ मैं. So I actually didn't read the first part. My reactions.
एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. She did not read it, but I told her कि आप फर्स्ट हाफ पढ़ लो, कि आपको कैरेक्टर समझ में आ जाएगा, कैरेक्टर क्या है. सेकंड हाफ मत पढ़ना. तो she did not read the second half. We reached Bhopal. It was COVID time. We were shooting in a bio bubble, right? तो हम भोपाल पहुंचे और पहली रात को मैडम को क्या सूझा पता नहीं, उन्होंने सेकंड हाफ पढ़ा. And she called me panicking at 11 o'clock in the night. ये क्या है? ये हम करने वाले? तो मैंने बोला आपने नहीं पढ़ना था, ठीक है, आप नहीं पढ़े, अब यही करना है.
मैंने स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पढ़ी थी. They had given me sides of the day or something. So अभी वो पढ़ना पड़ता है because you know क्या-क्या.
Conscientious actor है, getting to know कि मुझे क्या-क्या करना है.
So when I read
but I still remember the panic call.
Yeah, because for me suddenly it was out of context. मैंने कहा एक second, I chose not to read the script, but ये है script में. मैंने कहा ये क्या है? So that.
So did Soha also come in without reading the script only? Was you got her? Because this is a very nice combination. First of all, I have to say this is a brilliant teaser. I wouldn't say trailer as a, because there's a lot of stuff happening in this. अगर छोरी 1 में internalize बहुत कुछ था, इसमें बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Of course, and play off of 2 people also, and it's not just little. So it is really nicely done, and I think half the battle is won अगर teaser अच्छा हो. So how did you come on board?
I came on board because I met the producer who I've worked with before, Vikram sir, and I trust him. And he knows me, he knows what I might flourish in. And I'd seen Chori, the first part, and I'd loved it. And as an actor, I'm always looking for roles that are impactful. Where I can leave some kind of impression, stay with people much after the movie ends. And horror as a genre is that. It stays with you much after the movie ends.
Because most of the time when you're shooting, you don't know what you shot until you see it.
Especially when you're doing I think a role like Dasima, where she has various avatars, and some of them are prosthetic heavy, some of them are VFX heavy. So literally sometimes I'm just walking around with bindis on my face, and I'm like, ये बाद में कैसे दिखने वाला है मुझे पता नहीं.
तो ये मैं समझाता हूँ एक्चुअली जो सोहा ने बोला है, बिंदीज ऑन द फेस का मतलब ये होता है कि जब पोस्ट में, जब आप पोस्ट शूटिंग करते हैं, तो ये जो VFX डालेंगे उसमें कहाँ कुछ काटना है, कहाँ कुछ जलाना है, ये सारी चीजें होती है.
Reference markers.
Yes. So you know the BTS of a horror film is actually more interesting sometimes than when you're watching a horror film also. कि आप अच्छा ऐसे बना है. You should actually release that once in a while.
Yeah, I hope.
बहुत amazing हो जाता है.
The most horrifying thing for me on this film was sitting when they said कि कल हम लोग जब हम pre-prod में थे कि कल आप आओ, हम एक face mask बनाने वाले हैं. तो अब मुझे लगा ठीक है, आती हूँ 2 घंटे लगेंगे. I took a book, I took some coffee, I took my chashma, I said I'll go and chill. Like they're doing a face mask, like cucumber लगाने वाले face पे. And then they put cement, plaster of Paris on my face, like till here. And then they cut out the eyes and they cut out little nostril का, मुंह भी बंद था. And it was
so they allowed you to breathe a little bit.
Thanks. So like, and they said अभी ऐसे 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा बैठो. And you know, the minute you take a deep breath and then it settles like concrete. So उसके बाद if you do a deep breath, वो crack हो जाएगा. तो literally feel like you're being buried alive. That was the scariest thing that I've ever experienced in my life.
ये एक्चुअली हमने मिशन इम्पॉसिबल बहुत देखा है ना, जहाँ एक सेकंड में हो जाता है. हम लोग को ऐसे ही लगता है ना.
वो फेस मास्क ऐसे बनता है. Which I mean, और I really think कि आपको वो एक्टर के साथ कोई मेडिकल चेकअप करना चाहिए पहले.
What if he has claustrophobia?
किसी ने पूछा नहीं मुझसे कि आप क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हो, आपका हार्ट स्ट्रांग है.
तब तक काम हो जाएगा ना बाय द टाइम यू.
But Vishal, you like doing this.
फेल तो नहीं हो
तुम
जाएगा.
स्क्रिप्ट मत पढ़ो, तुम ऐसे आ जाओ. This is nice.
हाँ, क्योंकि भूत दिखते नहीं है ना, तो क्यों देखना है आपको. आप आओ, भूत अपने आप आ जाएगा.
एक चीज होती है जब ये 2 ऐड हो जाता है ना, 2, 3, 4, 5 all this. There is a tendency एक डायरेक्टर के लिए, even for producer. मुझे याद है मोहित सूरी ने मुझे बहुत साल पहले बोला था कि ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अगर 2 आ जाए तो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा अगर दे दे तो सडनली हमें और पैसा खर्च करने की जरूरत पड़ती है.
राइट.
हाउ डिफरेंट इज अ 2 इन योर हेड कि आई हैव टू मेक इट बिगर एंड बेटर? नो, क्योंकि दिस इज नॉट वन ऑफ दोस काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स.
करेक्ट.
सो हाउ यू थिंकिंग 2 इज स्टोरी लाइन को आगे बढ़ानी है, ऑफ कोर्स बढ़ रही है यहाँ पे,
जी.
बट हाउ इज 2 फॉर अ हॉरर फिल्म मेकर इन हिज हेड? क्या फर्क होता है?
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे गणित उल्टा है. राइट. क्योंकि पहले आपने देखा तो हम खेतों में थे.
करेक्ट.
इट वाज अ वास्ट कैनवस. नाउ लिटरली गॉन इनसाइड. So the spaces have become smaller.
Correct.
So for horror it works opposite. कि आपको इतना डरावना, इतना क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक करना है कि वो और डर लगे, तो आपको और छोटी करनी है चीजें, बड़ी नहीं करनी है. Especially for this franchise. Right. So that was the challenge कि इसको कैसे किया जाए. अब वो छोटी हो गई चीजें, बट अब उसमें एग्जीक्यूशन करना है.
Correct.
आपको कैमरा घुमाना है, आपको लाइटिंग करनी है, आपको एक्शन करना है, सब कुछ करना है, एक्टर्स को भी करना है. तो वो कैसे किया जाए. दैट इज द होल टेक्निकल चैलेंज ऑफ इट. राइटिंग वाइज we had to definitely get more interesting characters in.
And also give her a bigger graph on कि क्यों वापस आई है. Correct.
Evil को बड़ा करना है डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि डर तो ज्यादा लगना ही चाहिए, नहीं तो हम क्यों बना रहे 2. स्टोरी ऑर्गेनिकली फ्लो होनी चाहिए 1 से 2 में. अगर जबरदस्ती स्टोरी फिट कर रहे हैं तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. बट छोरी एक ऐसी फ्रेंचाइज है जो सिर्फ हॉरर नहीं है, वो कुछ और भी कहना चाहती है. जैसे पहले फिल्म में भी फिल्म ने कुछ और कहा है. एक मैसेज बोलो या एक सोशल ईविल जो है उसको हमने हाईलाइट किया है. राइट. एक समाज का जो एक प्रथा है जो बहुत बुरी चल रही है. तो सेम मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी खास करके छोरियों को लेकर बहुत सारी प्रथाएं हैं, और ये जो चीज़ है वो बनती रहेगी क्योंकि ये एक्चुअल हॉरर है हमारे समाज का. राइट. तो पर मुद्दा ये है कि हम एंटरटेन करें ऑडियंस को, हम उन्हें हॉरर फिल्म दिखाएं अच्छी, उन्हें वो इसका इम्पैक्ट समझ में आए, और फिर वो जो चीज़ हो रही है, वो जो प्रथा हो रही है, उसका इम्पैक्ट उसके थ्रू समझ में आए, ना कि हम प्रीच करें और बोले कि ये बुरा है, ये बुरा है.
That is more important. I remember when Blair Witch Project.
That is the hook for me for Chori 2. Is the fact that we had a social evil practice that we identified so correctly, and so I mean for me it was, I'm like, sir banao, likho part 2. मतलब this needs to be told, and this exactly fits into our milieu of Chori 1. We are not going away from it. In fact, I think this is the only second film I've been a franchise of. And I understand this कि दूसरी है तो बढ़ा दो. Everything, yeah.
You start to assume.
Correct.
Even the money that you want to take.
Correct.
Sir, अभी तो triple.
Correct. But in this, I think what sold me and maybe Vikram sir at that point was sir's idea of that social evil practice. That now we can touch upon this one, and I said, done. जब भी कर रहे हैं.
Actually पता है बहुत कम राइटर्स होते हैं जो ऐसी टाइप की बड़ी हार्डकोर फिल्में बना पाते हैं. Lot of writers are there in the industry जो larger than life फिल्में बनाते हैं. So this is actually, you are very unique in that sense also. It reminds me a lot also जब जैसे मेरी one of my favorite films of all time horror is Blair Witch Project.
Right.
जहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ दिखा नहीं था.
Right.
और इतना स्ट्रेस हो गया था और इतने कम बजट में बनी थी और it became crazy.
Correct.
You go back to our childhood also. मुझे आज तक किले का रहस्य जब आता था, वो सिर्फ वो आवाज के साथ ही it was more than enough. You know?
For me was the horror show.
But that it's very difficult. But ये were you also influenced a lot by horror when you were young?
Absolutely, 100%. मतलब बचपन में मुझे लगता है कि मैंने सबसे पहली हॉरर फिल्म जो देखी थी, जो मुझे आज तक याद है, वो है नाइटमेयर ऑन एल्म स्ट्रीट.
काटाकुटी.
उसमें फ्रेडी करके कैरेक्टर था, फ्रेडी क्रूगर. वो बच्चों के सपनों में आता था और वो सपनों में फंसा देता था. वो कभी उठ ही नहीं पाते थे क्योंकि आप सपने से बाहर ही निकल पा रहे हो. तो मैं रात को, मुझे सोने में दिक्कत होती थी कि आज मैं सो गया और फ्रेडी अगर मेरे सपनों में आ गया तो क्या होगा. तो तब से वो फैशन, लेकिन मजा भी आता था. तो
so
वो फैसिनेशन तब से था.
Which is the ones you've liked? Ring and all that? Or
Yeah, I've seen all that from
the recent 20 years.
No, I'm saying from Conjuring, Exorcist, Exorcism of Emily Rose, क्योंकि उसमें it's always like, is it a psychological thing? Is it like you need to call a psychiatrist or do you need to call like a spiritual person?
Correct.
So whenever there's an element of realism, then it becomes more scary. और मुझे याद है कि मैं हमेशा वो 3:15 बजे रात के उठती थी and I'd be like, oh God, this is like the devil's hour or whatever. And then I couldn't go back to sleep after that. But even in Hindi cinema, like Bhoot has been one of my all-time favorites. That I've like 100 days, you know, which are...
Even Vastu Shastra, there was one.
There've been many.
Ramu sir ke sari.
There've been some really good ones. But then for a while, there weren't many good ones in horror. Which is why, again, as an actor...
For a while, there haven't been good ones in anything. Let's be honest about that. And we all agree with that also. But pata Exorcism mein pata kya hua tha? Everyone went mad, you know, in the film.
What?
Yeah, the original film.
The Exorcist.
The Exorcist. Everyone went mad. The director died. The child actor wasn't able to do much. You haven't heard the story of it? Yeah, the number of mishaps that happened with the people in their lives after that is crazy. Yeah. So they decided that girl, bichari, could never act in anything else. So actually speaking, when you make films like this also, ये नहीं बताया ना उनको, आप बताते नहीं आपको ये background story भी जानती होती है.
काम नहीं करेंगे अगर ये सब.
But ये सच है. Do you believe in all this? But
I fully believe it. I'm freaking out right now.
So you read Exorcist में हर कोई मर चुका है या फिर कुछ mishap हुआ है या पैर टूटा है या कुछ चीजें हुई हैं, which is why for a long time they didn't want to make it again. And that's why कभी Exorcist
now I'm actually putting my entire life in perspective.
Everything has gone wrong.
Don't worry.
No, but in Exorcist the devil was real. अपना devil is a bit fictional, तो चलेगा. मतलब only devil is next to you.
Okay,
so
thanks.
We'll have 3 coming, but it's a crazy story there. You know, like I said, ये एक ऐसा genre है जो बड़ा मुश्किल है बनाना. और मुझे याद है मैंने जब वर्ल्ड वॉर Z देखी थी, बड़े स्टार्स नहीं करते.
अरे भाई क्या बोल दिया. One of my favorite films.
बिल्कुल.
मैं रिपीट पे देख सकती हूँ. आपको पता है उस पिक्चर के जो हीरो है, उनके अगर आप डायलॉग्स लिख दो ना तो आधा पेज भी नहीं है. वो डायलॉग ही नहीं बोलता है बंदा. और सोचो, it's half a page of dialogues.
But that's the reason why he said I want to do. Brad Pitt said I will do it because picture बड़ी बननी चाहिए. क्यों बड़े स्टार नहीं करते सर? You know, they are very great actors.
Right.
But the question sometimes happens is why don't stars want to do horror? जब ये आप बोलते हो superstar so and so, what's the problem?
तो हमारे बॉलीवुड में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है इस चीज की, बिकॉज एवरी हीरो वांट्स टू बी हीरोइक ऑल द टाइम. दैट इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? हॉरर फिल्म में क्या होता है, प्रोटैगनिस्ट जो होता है, ही इज अ विक्टिम, ही और शी इज अ विक्टिम, राइट? एंड ओनली बाय द एंड ऑफ इट दे बिकम हीरोइक, राइट? सो बट दे हैव टू गो थ्रू द जर्नी ऑफ बीइंग अ विक्टिम थ्रू आउट द फिल्म, राइट? बट वो यूजुअली थोड़ा सा कम होता है हमारा. दैट एक्सेप्टेंस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ हीरो कि मैं विक्टिम हूँ और मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. But when you get, for example, an Ajay Devgan in Shaitan, the film becomes really big because he understands that, and he's okay to play a victim throughout the film and only become heroic in the end.
Because I think audiences love horror films. They just love
मतलब एक सिंपल सी बात है, अगर आपका हीरो डर रहा है तो सोचो कितना वो हॉरर बन जाता है, क्योंकि आपका हीरो डर रहा है. उससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है?
या हमारी हीरोइन डर भी रही है और डरा भी रही है. I love it. Thank you guys for joining me. It was really fantastic. Like I said, कई बार ना it's very difficult to get this genre right, यार. 99% of the time people are just laughing. But I think Vishal's always managed to get the right element in there, and like she won it alone, you know, in Chori 1. And Nusrat did a brilliant job. I think it was a coming of age film for her also. I remember when it was coming out, there was a lot of talk because it's 2021. बड़ा मुश्किल था उस समय फिल्म निकालना. And I think you really upped the ante with this Chori 2 also. Yeah, congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I will see you guys soon. Take care and bye bye.